discussing question number 3 of the writing work. Convert the play into a story, provide a suitable title to it. We here give title on Confronting an Intruder. If I Were is a play written by Douglas James. It begins with the telephonic conversation of a dramatist Gerard, who was preparing to leave his house in order to attend a rehearsal. Gerard was a cultured playwright. He lives lonely in Essex Cottage. He does not meet many people. He was going to attend a rehearsal of his drama. He had prepared his bag in which there were props for rehearsal. But suddenly intruder enters his cottage. The intruder was a jewelry robber and a murderer. He has a revolver in his hand. Gerard welcomes him with confidence. The intruder asks him many questions. He wanted to murder him and he lived as Gerard because he looked like him. Gerard at once understood everything. He told the intruder that he too was a murderer, therefore the police were after him. Gerard explained that unfortunately one of his men had been caught. He was expecting trouble. He then made the intruder understand that it was good for him if he went with him. He also told him that it was a frame. If it was a frame, he could shoot him in the car. The intruder agreed. Gerard opened the door. Which was in fact the door of a cupboard. The intruder looked in to see what it was. Gerard gave him a push. The revolver fell as the intruder stepped into the cupboard. Gerard shut the door and picked up the revolver. Then he telephoned to call in the police to arrest the intruder. This we see that Gerard's presence of mind and alertness saved him from a life-threatening situation. Okay, dear students, thank you.